Enskill's artificial intelligence technology helps students improve their speaking skills and helps teachers teach more effectively. Think of it as a kind of teacher's aid. Enskill's immersive simulations are realistic conversations with intelligent animated characters.
Good morning.
Hi, welcome to the Metropolitan train station. Where are you traveling to?
I'm going to New York.
Great! I can help you plan your trip to New York. What day would you like to depart?
Enskill simulations don't follow a script. Students must speak and respond in the context of the situation. Enskill simulations can be even better than real-life immersion because students can practice as many times as they want without fear of making mistakes. Students get feedback and practice in the areas they are having difficulties in. Simulations are aligned with the can-do statements in the Common European Framework of Reference, or CEFR. There are 10 simulations in each level, plus practice exercises. In this simulation, learners must purchase a train ticket to New York. They have a limited budget and need to arrive in time for a play that starts at 8 p.m. This addresses the can-do statement, can ask for basic information about travel and buy tickets.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Metropolitan train station. Where are you traveling to?
The simulation interface has 3 tabs. Directions, on the top right, provide learners with suggestions on how to continue the conversation or specific language they can use. The suggestions are just some of the utterances the system accepts, but not an exhaustive list. The Transcript tab on the left shows a record of what the avatar and learner have said. The Objectives tab reminds the learner of the goals of the simulation.
I need to go to New York.
Great! I can help you plan your trip to New York. What day would you like to depart?
Enskill listens and interprets the learner's intent in context and then responds.
I have to leave on 1st May.
I have a couple of trains that day. Does the train leaving at 2 p.m. work for you?
Enskill can understand a learner's intent even if they make errors in grammar, usage, or pronunciation.
Sure.
Okay, a one-way ticket in first class is $175, and a coach ticket is $100. Would you like a first class or coach ticket?
I would like a coach ticket.
Okay, do you need a second ticket to return?
The learner should have asked when the train is scheduled to arrive. It arrives too late for the start of the play.
Yes.
What day would you like to return?
7th May.
There's only one train leaving New York that day. It leaves at 11 a.m. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, would you
The
like
learner has now completed another objective, which is to purchase a return ticket. Enskill gives learners feedback about what objectives they have met and where they need to improve. This learner didn't ask questions about departure and arrival times, so that will be the focus of further practice. Enskill has 7 types of practice activities that cover the phrases, vocabulary, and grammatical forms used in the simulations. These give learners immediate feedback. We encourage learners to complete the practice exercises before returning to the simulation. Some exercises let learners practice individual conversational turns.
What time will the train arrive?
Encourage learners to practice the simulation multiple times. Learners can try new language and work through the simulation without the support tabs. Continued practice will build proficiency and confidence.
Hi there.
Hi, Welcome to the Metropolitan train station. Where are you traveling to?
Sample lesson plans are available to show how to incorporate simulations into your lessons. For more information about how to implement Enskill in your class, visit enskill.alelo.ai.